Hello everyone, I am Mrs. T. Gauri Tangam, M.Com, M.Phil, B.Ed, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Attanjatra. Today we are discuss about company secretaryship. Incorporation of the company, commencement of business, listing and other requirements. Next one, provision of law, practical procedure of the incorporation of the company, certificate of incorporation. Provision of law, procedures. First one, selection of type of company. Second, director's identification number. Third one, name availability letter. Fourth one, preparation of memorandum of association and articles of association. Next, filling necessary e-forms, that is form number 1A, 1, 29, 32, 18 and TIN forms. Selection of type of the company. Before incorporation of the company, the promoter's first duty is select the type of the company. Following are the types of the company available for selection. First one, public company. Second one, private company. Third one, procedure company. Types of the company that we identify to the constitute. Public company limited by shares. Directors Identification Number. Companies Amendment Act 2006 introduced this concept. DIN to be obtained by all existing directors and every other person identifying to become director. TIN is to be allotted by central government within 1 month from the receipt of application of allotment of TIN. Individual prohibited to apply, obtain or possess more than one TIN. Every existing director to intimate his TIN to the company or all of the company where he is a director within 1 month of receipt of TIN. Intimation of the TIN to the register or any other officer or specified authority by every company within 1 week. Information to be given in the prescribed form and manner. TIN to be quoted by every person or company while furnishing any written information or particular record to be furnished under the Act. Name availability letter. Promoters in e-forms first A, in addition to 5 other names in the order of their importance, shall give one main name to the register of the company. Within 7 days of the receipt of application, the register shall inform the availability of the name if it is available, and within 2 months of the name availed by register, the promoters shall adopt the availed name. If the name is undesirable, the register shall within 3 days of the receipt of application reject the same and may call for reply with new name. Fee for name availability letter ID ₹500 only. Preparation of memorandum of association. First one, name class. Second one, situation class. Third one, objective class. Fourth one, capital class. Fifth one, liability class. Sixth one, association class. Preparation of articles of association. AOA is a statement which state the rules and regulation of the company. It gives the authority to the officers of the company to do or not to do something in the interest of the company. Except public company limited by shares, all other companies required to have their own articles. Public company limited by shares may adopt Table A as its articles. Memorandum of association of the company. First one, name class. It is name of the company is registered. Second one, situation class. The register office of the company is situation in the state mentioned. Objective class. Main objectives: replace of the new technology by old technology, manufacture eco-friendly machineries. Other objectives: the identify the business of the area of education, infrastructure, information technology, biotechnology, etc. Capital class: the nominal capital of the company shall be rupees 5,000 crores divided into 500 crores equity shares of rupees 10 each. It is called capital class. Mention the capital of the company. Liability class: the liability of the members is called liability limited or unlimited. Association class: we are several persons whose names and address are subscribed and deserves of the being formed into the company presiding of this memorandum of association, and we respectively agree to take the number of shares in the capital of the company act opposite to our respective names. Association class, or one of the model of association class. Articles of association: pursuant to section 26 Companies Act 1956, public company limited shares may prepare in articles. Filing the essential form: Form 1 statutory declaration, Form 1A name availability letter, Form 29 consent to act as a director, Form 32 particulars of the director, Form 18 notice of the registered address. Certificate of incorporation: when the procedure guided in the act complied with and register of the companies is satisfied, will register. He shall issue a certificate of incorporation. The certificate incorporation is a conclusive evidence. Commencement of the business: issue of prospects and the receipt of application money, allotment of the share, issue of shares, certificate, calls. Issue of prospect and receipt of application money, it is also called initial public offer. Primary market, it's a model of the primary market. Commencement of the business: private company, a company having to share capital, may commence the business immediately after its incorporation. The public company must obtain the certificate of commencement of the business is commence its business. For the purpose of it has to comply with the provision of section 149. Call on shares: after allotment of the shares fully called up by the company, it can, whenever the amount is required or the time of winding up of the company, whichever is earlier, go for call on share to make it fully paid up. Secondary market model: first one company, second one stock exchange, third one broker, fourth one individual names. Listing of other requirements: the securities of the company will dealt in stock exchange. Official quotation of the purchase. Depository: NSDL, CDSL. National Security Depository Scheme: Bank of India, HDFC Bank, Dena Bank, Canara Bank, HSBC Limited. Central Depository Service Limited, the depository holding the securities in electronic form. Availing the service of the depository participated. Demonstration: converting physical securities in electronic form. Do you want to open the Demat account? PAN card, address proof, PP size photograph, cancelled check. Comply filled application form, other requirements. Thank you.